package, and today I will be explaining you how to release your application on Play Store faster or less than in a day. So I will be just going to post testing. Uh, Before it, I would like to tell you that I'm showing you this by an example. I've already uploaded my app, so which is in review. So you just need to go to post testing. Go in there. By default, you will see post testing as alpha. Just promote your release here to post testing in alpha. I've already created a release. You just go to create a new release and configure all the settings there, like applying changes to countries, whatever the countries there are suggested, and release notes. Fill out the details of your application which you have uploaded there. Remember, it's a post test. Once your app goes live here, then you just need to promote it to production. It takes less time than uploading a app directly to the production. So you just go there and look for it that there's an option promote to release, and then promote production, just promote your release to production. Your final list will be lesser than usual as it takes more time in production. And remember to send your inform the changes for the review. Your app will take around 24 hours to make it live, and can take less time also. It depends on your app, how your app is going to analyze by